Hey guys, so I'm coming back at you with another wig review, and this one is probably my favorite. I don't know, I say that with about a lot of wigs, but this one I'm really loving. Like, I loved it the minute I put it on my head. So the name of this wig is called Assertive, and it is just a fun little bob. It is the perfect length, the perfect color for me. I just love this one so much. So let me get into some details about this wig. So the cap construction is a lace front open wefted cap. So that means that when you get this wig, you will have to cut the lace, but the lace is super easy to cut. And this is one of those wigs that if you have never had a lace front that you've had to cut lace on before, this is actually really easy and beginner friendly, and it's hard to mess up. And the reason I say that is because the lace goes under here. It just goes from here to here. And so if for some reason you mess up on cutting the lace, which is really hard to do, it'll be covered by this nice little swoop part right there. So I highly recommend a wig like this for beginners for cutting lace, just because it's so hard to mess up cutting the lace on this one. Now let's talk about sizing. This one is a small head to average size wig, because the reason I say that is because I have this wig set to about its medium setting on the band, and it is an adjustable band, but I do have a smaller head, and so that makes me think that this is going to be a small head friendly wig. To average, I don't know that it would necessarily work for someone with a larger size head. So just keep that in mind when looking at this wig. Now this is a wig that I would definitely wear for everyday use. I would wear it for a night out on the town. This is a wig that I would use for a bunch of different occasions, just because of how versatile it is and how easy it is to wear. It is not a free part. It does have a side part here. It's a fixed part, but I can do more things with it, like pinning it back right here, or maybe doing a little bit like that. But it really is just like a wig that it is what it is, which is nice because it's super low maintenance. For people like me who just want to wake up in the morning and throw a wig on and go, this is a throw on and go wig. Now this wig is extremely comfortable. I can wear this one without a wig cap on, which is a big selling point for me. And I'll let you see the back of it, the way the tapered neck is. It's nice and cool, and it will stay out of my way when I am, busy and on the run. So I really like this wig for just every occasion. Now, at the time I'm recording this video, this wig is sold out on the website, but you can sign up on the website at stylesbysoma.com, and you can use my link in the description to get notifications when this wig comes back in stock. This wig did sell out very fast when it was released, and so when you get a notification that this wig is available, you want to jump on it because it's a really popular style. Now, with that being said, there are wigs that are very similar in style to this on the website, and you can filter your results by going to the filter section and searching for bobs. This is what is considered a bob style. And so if you filter that, you'll be able to find styles like the ones that I am going to mention. So Jupiter is a free part bob that is more of a purple color, and it's a brighter wig. And so for anyone who likes bobs and likes color, Jupiter would be a good fit for you. Sensual is another one, and it is a very beautiful red color and a cute little bob, and you would love that one if you like red. Jett is another one that's very similar to this style, a little bit shorter, and it is more of a gray with black roots. Clear Cut is another bob that is just a solid black and just a really, really cute style. Excellence is another one that's very similar to this one. Excellence is more of a blonde with dark roots and more of the like blonde highlights. Tequila is one that you might like if you are into more of the ginger colors. It's more of a lighter red, kind of orange tone. So if you like gingers, you'll love Tequila. So I hope you all found this video helpful, and if you need help finding that perfect bob, just give me a shout and leave me a comment.